This year, the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport is hosting mini galas across the country. But there's nothing like celebrating the nation's independence at the Grand Gala at the National Stadium.
Just to see the activities that is going to be performed today and also knowing more about our culture, Jamaica.
What's your name? Can you tell me your name, little one? Isabel. Hi, Isabel. Did you put on your beads yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you excited to be here at the National Stadium?
Yes.
This is my first time at the gala and I'm so excited to be here.
What do you think about an occasion like this as an outsider? What are your feelings?
Oh my gosh, it feels like a rich culture, alive. You know, it's a lot of people coming together to celebrate something much bigger than ourselves. So I love seeing the community, seeing the black excellence and the beautiful Jamaican people.
I was watching it via the television last year and seeing all that was happening, and I say to my wife and kids, I don't know where you are all going to be next year, which is this year, but I'm going to be sitting in the National Stadium. And guess what? Here am I.
What? I'm glad that I found someone who's been here before. Tell me if you have any memory of what used to happen in the past Grand Galas. What are some of your memories? What stands out?
What stands out was the military approach into the stadium, coming down the McDonald Tunnel in one uniform way. And guess what? I used to watch JBC in its olden days capturing the event.
The event was organized by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport through the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC. Some 2,500 participants took part in the celebration, including members of various uniformed groups and cultural dancers. We caught up with the Jamaica Festival Queen 2025, Brittany Clark.
It's really an overwhelming feeling. I'm so happy, I'm overjoyed, I'm gracious. I'm just really happy to be here to celebrate 63 years of independence right here at the National Stadium, the heart of community, connection, culture. It's an amazing feeling.
Members of the government were out. We caught up with Justice Minister Delroy Chuck, who came out early with his family to enjoy the festivities.
Grand Gala is a great event, and we have to admire Minister Grange, who really put all of these things together. She has done a tremendous job. I can tell you she worked, and she pleaded at Cabinet to ensure that she put on a great event. And so I don't know, most years they have the Prime Minister and the Speaker of the House and President of the Senate coming in. In 2011 I did it when I was Speaker of the House. But I think it's a great event that the people of Jamaica enjoy. It shows some of the best of our culture, and it also allows a number of the participants to show off their skills and their real professional dramatic movements. So it's always a pleasure to come here.
Segments of the Grand Gala also celebrated reggae music, most notably with the presentation of this year's Reggae Icon Award recipients, Leroy Sibley's, Beres Hammond, and Capleton.
It's a great joy, you know what I mean, to be honored tonight, you know, as Jamaica celebrate 63 years of independence. A long time we are under fire, we travel 4 corners of the earth, represent the music, represent reggae music, represent dancehall, you know what I mean? And I want to big up all the icons before me and the youth them too.
Independence 63 at the National Stadium was a huge success. We had smashing performances, great pageantry. And as we end this highlight, my name is Simone Absalom-Gayle. Remember, Jamaicans, to continue to be proud, be bold, and celebrate Jamaica in your black, green, and gold.